So yo, what's up guys? Today's Friday. Workout tayo ngayon ng back and bicep. Hindi tayo mag-gym ngayon. Home workout lang, dumbbell only. Itong gamit natin dumbbell. Yan lang guys. Ito guys ay more on order lang sa Shopee at saka DIY dumbbell. Let's go! So yung what's up guys, kakatapos lang ng dalawa nating exercise, which is yung bend over row and then yung reverse dumbbell fly. So ngayon guys, on the way na tayo sa third exercise natin. Let's go! So yun guys, second set to. Pagod. Let's go! So yun guys, fourth set na natin ang pullover na to. Tapusin na natin and then don't forget to use wrist wraps para iwas bali. Let's go. So yun guys, natapos na natin yung 5 back exercise natin, which is yung bend over row, reverse fly, single arm dumbbell row, dumbbell pull over, and dumbbell shed. Kaya ngayon guys, flex muna tayo ng back natin. Let's go! So yun guys, natapos na natin ang ating 5 back workout. So ngayon, bicep workout na tayo. So ito sa guys, adjustable lang yan, DIY. Kaya kung meron kayong mga kaway sa bahay, pwede nyo rin yung gawin. Tapos nilagyan ko lang nung sopa. So yun guys, natapos na natin ang 3 exercise natin for bicep, which is yung bicep curl, incline curl, and hammer curl. And yun guys, thank you for watching on this video. At kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, subscribe ka na dyan. Let's go! At kung may katanungan kayo, comment lang kayo sa comment section. And then, suggest din kayo ng magandang content natin. Let's go!